Hi there, you are watching Your Brain Wasn't Made to Remember. Right now, try to remember what you had for lunch 6 Tuesdays ago. You can't. Not really. Your brain will hand you a guess dressed up as a fact, and you won't even notice the difference. That's strange, isn't it? You remember your first kiss with total clarity, but not what you ate yesterday. The real answer is far stranger than forgetfulness. Your brain was never built to remember, it was built to predict. Memory feels like a recording. It isn't. Every time you recall something, your brain doesn't press play. It rebuilds the memory from scratch, using whatever fragments are lying around. Neuroscientists call this reconsolidation. Each time you replay a memory, you're not retrieving the original, you're rewriting it, slightly, permanently. A famous study by Elizabeth Loftus showed just how easy this rewriting is. She asked people about a childhood trip to a mall. Buried in the questions was a fake memory. Getting lost as a child. A quarter of participants didn't just believe it, they added details, a blue shirt, a kind old woman who helped them. None of it happened. Their brains filled the gaps with plausible fiction, and it felt exactly like truth. Why would evolution build something this unreliable? Because accuracy was never the goal. Survival was. Your ancestors didn't need a perfect record of every sunset. They needed to know, fast, which berries made them sick and which sounds meant danger. Memory evolved to extract patterns, not preserve footage. A brain that remembers everything is slower than one that remembers what matters. There's a cost to this efficiency though. Your hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, prioritizes emotional intensity over accuracy. That's why trauma feels seared in, while ordinary Tuesdays vanish. Researchers studying flashbulb memories, vivid recollections of moments like hearing major news, found something unsettling. People were just as confident about their flashbulb memories years later. They were also just as wrong. Confidence and accuracy, it turns out, barely speak to each other. Here's the twist. Forgetting isn't a malfunction. A 2017 study from the University of Toronto found that the brain actively works to forget, growing new neurons in the hippocampus, specifically to overwrite old information. Forgetting clears space for new patterns. Without it, you couldn't generalize, adapt, or learn at all. A mind that remembered everything would drown in detail and miss the bigger shape of things. So when you misremember an argument, or swear you locked the door when you didn't, you're not broken. You're running exactly as designed. Your brain isn't a filing cabinet. It's a storyteller, constantly revising the manuscript to make sense of who you are right now. Think about that the next time you trust a memory completely. The version in your head was edited last night, last week, maybe just seconds ago, by a brain quietly deciding what kind of person you need to have been. Tonight, when you try to remember what you had for lunch 6 Tuesdays ago, notice the guess your brain hands you. It isn't a failure. It's the whole point. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to like and subscribe for more.